Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. Today, we are going to show you how to set up Snapchat Spotlight monetization so you can start earning money from your content. So let's dive right in. First, make sure your Snapchat app is up to date. Open your App Store, search for Snapchat, and install any available updates. This ensures you have access to the latest features, including Spotlight monetization. Next, focus on creating engaging, high-quality content for Spotlight. Make sure your videos are creative, entertaining, and original to increase your chances of getting featured and earning from Snapchat. So to submit your content to Spotlight, open the Snapchat app and tap on the camera. Record a new video or select one from your gallery, then tap the Send To button and select Spotlight. Once your content is live, you may be eligible for monetization. If it gains a lot of views, to enable monetization, go to your profile, tap on Settings, and look for the Spotlight payout section. Follow the instructions to set up your payment information, and that is how you set up Snapchat Spotlight monetization. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.